Hello, everyone. It is indeed inspiring to see you back again. I welcome you all in this series of AI-GloLo event. If you have not yet registered, you can find the registration link in the description box and you can register now.
You can integrate ChatGPT with VS Code for creating code, with WordPress for creating website, and you can also integrate ChatGPT with Google Sheets and Google Docs. So in this video, we are going to discuss that how you can integrate ChatGPT with Google Docs, in which you can create articles, and how we will link the ChatGPT with Google Slides to create the attractive presentations. We are going to discuss how we can integrate ChatGPT with the Google Slides. So what you want to do is just go to the Google, and here we have to type GPT for docs, sheets and slides. Just click on the first option, and we will have to go to this link, which from where we can get GPT for docs, sheets and slides. So just let me open it in a new tab, and it is a plugin, and it will get loaded in our Google Slides. So just click on the install button, so it get ready to install. The next step will be just click on the continue. Yeah, so after clicking on the continue option, you have to choose a Google account from which you have to download this chat GPT, which is for Google Sheets, Slides as well as Docs. So just let me click on my email ID, and just let me scroll down, and we will click on the allow. So after clicking on the allow option, what I can see is that the chat gpt has been installed. Not chat gpt for docs and sheets have been installed. Now just next, done. So what we have now just installed the GPT for docs, sheets and slides. Now what will be the next step? In next step, I will go to the Google Slides, and I will just reload this page. It is getting reloaded, and then we will click on the extension, and here I can see in extension I got a plugin which is GPT for docs, sheets and slide. I will click on this, and then I will click on the start button. So now this is getting started, and on the right hand side I can see that it is working properly. It means this plugin has been installed. So we can generate slide deck, we can create content, as well as we can also create images. How interesting it is. So just when you click on the generate slide deck, here what will I give is I will give the topic for which I want presentation. Let me say data science, and here I can give the number of slides to generate. So the maximum slides that we can generate with the help of this GPT tool is 12. So just let me generate 11 slides for this video, and we have options add images. So definitely I want to add images to my presentation, and here we have option of the advanced settings. So now just let explore that what is the option of what are the features we have in advanced settings. So in advanced settings we have a model. So the GPT model which we are using is 3.5 turbo, and the next feature that we have in advanced setting is temperature. So with the help of the temperature we can change the randomness of the data which is generated. So now what I will do is I will just click on the run. So it is processing. It will take few time according to the speed of the internet. So what happen after processing is the topic that I have given and the number of the slides that will be generated, and I can see this the entire presentation on the Google Slides. So this for GPT for docs, sheets and slides, you can use it for presentation, as well as if you want a text regarding any particular topic, you can get that text also, as well as if you want image, we can get the image also with the help of this proper tool. So till now presentation is loading. What we can do is that whenever in future, whenever you want to create any PPT, so instead of using Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides, what you can do is you can integrate it with the help of the chat GPT, and what will happen is it can generate your PPT. So you can see that it has generated a PPT and the topic is data science. What is data science? Then why it is important, the process, data collection, data cleaning, data analysis, model building, model evaluation, data visualization, challenges, future of data science. So this is the very good tool that you can use whenever you want to create any PPT. Okay, I hope you have understood. We are going to discuss how we can integrate ChatGPT with Google Docs. So now we have just installed the GPT for docs, sheets, and slides. So I will now go to the Google Docs and I will reload this page. And after reloading, what will be the next step? We'll go to the extensions, and here I can see then that this package has been installed. I will go to the start button and just it is opening, and I can see that on the right hand side of my screen I have this particular extension, or you can say plugin, and you can edit text, you can create text, as well as you can summarize. So we will create text. Here it is asking for the name of the topic. Let me say I want to generate text for Hadoop. So I will just type Hadoop and I will just click on the run button. So it is getting processed. Yeah, so we can see that it has generated the data on my topic, which is Hadoop. So what will be the next step? Just scroll the screen, and in the bottom I can see the insert. So whenever I click on the insert button, this whole text which is on the right hand side of the screen will come on my Google Docs. So I will click on the insert button. It is getting loaded, and after the loading I can see that I have got a beautiful article which is being generated by this AI tool, and my this article is based on Hadoop. So from now onwards, whenever you want to create any doc, you can take the help of this AI tool. Now we will going to see how we can integrate ChatGPT with Google Sheets. Till now we have discussed how we can integrate ChatGPT with Google Slides and Google Docs. So we're going to use the same extension. Just click on the extension and we are going to use GPT for docs, sheets and slides that we are using in the previous sections also. And it will getting loaded. We have here three functions: GPT prompt, GPT list, and GPT table. So here I will enter some numbers, let's say 67, 56, 78, 90, and then I am going to use the GPT prompt function. So here I will write this number in plain text. Then I will close this and I will give here A1 and I will hit the enter button. So it is getting loaded and we can see the result that it is printing 67. I will simply drag it and you can see that it is getting loaded and we have the 67, 56, 78, 90. So this is the way how we can use the GPT prompt. Now we will discuss the GPT list. Here I will give some names, let's say vegetables, then let it say rice, and then we will have here pizza. So now what we'll do is we will see the GPT list function. GPT list, let me create. Yeah, so here we will use the concat, and let me give the brackets as well. So we will discussing the concat. Yeah, so concat, here we will type E1 and I will type here only HEALTHY healthy food. Let me close this and enter. So it is getting loaded and it will give us the list of only healthy foods. So we can see that we have the input is vegetable, rice, and pizza, and the healthy food is vegetable and rice. So this is the use of the GPT list, and now we will discuss the list of the GPT table. So what now we will do is, let me type here GPT table. So in table, what I will do is I will type a message, and this GPT table will going to give me that table. So let's say top 10, we can use number here, top 10 countries, top 10 countries their with their population. Then let me this, and now when I will press the enter button, we will be able to see the top 10 countries according to the population. So it is getting loaded. Just let me scroll here. Yeah. So you can see China, India, United States, Indonesia, Pakistan, Brazil, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Russia, Mexico. So this is the way that how we can integrate ChatGPT in Google Sheets also. So till now what we have done is we have integrated ChatGPT in Google Sheets, in Google Docs, in Google Slides.
I hope you like this video. If you really feel that it would help somebody, you can surely share it with those people. At the same time, you can like and subscribe to our channel as well. You can register for this AI-GloLo event with the link in the description, or you can see the scanner right ahead in this particular video.